How to change birthday on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application, then tap on your menu bar from your top right corner. Now make sure you are logged in to your account where you want to change the birthday. Make sure it's not any page but your personal account. After that, go to settings. Now go to personal details and go to birthday. After that, from here you will be able to choose your birthday. You will also get an option of editing. Simply tap on edit, and if you have not met your limit, you will be able to change the birthday. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.